Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change brightness level for your HUAWEI MateBook E with Windows 11. So to do this we can approach it multiple ways, and the first one is on the keyboard right here. You can use a small sun icon to decrease it and the bigger sun icon to increase it. You can always go for the settings right here when you press on the Wi-Fi, sound and the battery, and change the brightness with a slider like this, or open the settings itself, and here now find settings brightness, change brightness level, select brightness and adjust it like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.